All right, today we have a kitchen faucet that's having some low water pressure. When we turn it on, that's about all we're getting. I'm James, a plumber at Dial 1 Plumbing. This is something that you can take care of at your own home. We can go ahead and take out the spout, and you'll notice that there is a nut right here. A lot of times you can unthread it with your hand, but if not, just grab your simple pair of pliers and unscrew it. Once you unscrew it, don't let go of this. It'll go back up in the faucet. Now on this particular one, there's some debris stuck up in this spout. So simply just turn on your faucet, wash it out, and once you wash it out, this little screen came out. So you got to be careful about that. Put it back in place. Simply turn it back, thread it back. Again, don't let go of it. Turn it on. Now you can see that fixed our water pressure, and we want to make sure that there's no leak right here. And you see that there's no leak, problem solved. Now if this does not take care of your problem, if there's no dirt that's caught in the actual aerator or the spout itself, and we turn this faucet on and we are still observing low water pressure, this is where you might want to go ahead and call a professional. There could be dirt, debris clogged up somewhere in the handle, the water supply lines, or the shut-off valves. Now to actually diagnose that and take care of that, it's a more of a specialized process. It'd be best to have a professional to go ahead and take care of. And if you have any questions or concerns, give us a call. We're happy to help you out along the way.